Uptown Swing, September 2025, Level 2 Classics, Week 2. Who's saying?
Grace.
We're in town for the month, visiting and teaching. We're really excited to be here. Today, the classic move we worked on is the Peekaboo, a move that we've seen Frank and Manny do in little clips. Here's what it looks like. We went shoot, boom, 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 da, da, da. Some things we did in class, we did a little bit of solo warm-up just to practice a lot of different 8-count basics and practice doing these in different ways to warm us up for the step. And when doing the step, one thing that we really wanted to highlight in the transitions is once you get to here, we think about, the shoulders. We think about underturning this a little bit and making sure we get to a stable, facing this to give us a good base to